want this shape. Select your clip and go to Animation. Choose Swing Bottom and place it into seconds. Now go to Effects and choose Vibration Flash. I usually set it like this. Now you need to put it in the middle. Now copy the same effect 3 times but glow at 0 on only those 3. Now place them on top of each other. Do the same steps in the other clips. And you're done!